Hello friends, I'm back with another new idea, this time an emergency LED light project. This setup includes an on-off switch and a battery holder for inserting the battery. After placing the battery correctly, I test the circuit to make sure everything works properly. LED lights come alive with a bright glow after switching on. Yes, exactly as expected. When the switch is turned on, the LEDs start glowing very brightly and work perfectly. You can clearly see the strong brightness, which shows how well this setup is performing. Friends, even though many people don't pay much attention to electrical projects, life without electricity is almost impossible today. My goal here is to help you watch, understand and realize why electricity is essential in everything we use. Right now, the emergency LED light is being tested properly and it's working smoothly and reliably. You can use this website to get top quality PCBs for your projects. Website. Even beginners can get their circuits made like a pro without any hassle. I've personally ordered multiple PCBs from them, and every single time the quality has been outstanding. Neat finish, accurate solder mask and fast delivery right at my doorstep. I use top quality PCBs and you can order them as well. So friends, I've brought all the components for this project, starting with the LEDs along with a few resistors and an on-off switch. Now I'm carefully placing each component onto the board one by one. Correct placement is very important, so I'm taking my time to align everything properly. This step sets a strong foundation for clean soldering and smooth circuit operation. This project has so many LEDs in a single line, it looks really amazing. After placing all the components on the board, I now take a cutter to trim the extra LED legs carefully. This step helps keep the board clean and prevents any unwanted short circuits. Along with cutting, I also begin soldering each LED properly to ensure strong and reliable connections. After completing the soldering, I go back and carefully trim the extra legs of all the LEDs. This step is very important because leaving the legs too long can cause short circuits or make the board look messy. By cutting them neatly, the circuit becomes safer and more professional in appearance. Taking the time to do this properly ensures that every connection is secure and the final project works reliably. Clean and precise work at this stage not only improves the performance of the LEDs, but also makes the entire circuit much easier to handle for future testing or modifications. The LED legs are already trimmed, and now I'm soldering them using a soldering iron. Friends, there's another exciting opportunity you can see right here in this video. Let's imagine we are working on a project, say designing a battery management system product with enclosure and all. Sounds simple, right? Until we have component delays, board fitting issues, thermal problems or safety compliance. That's where Altium Develop saves the day. In this, we can capture all the requirements in one environment so everyone sees them. Then its BOM portal helps to check the selected component availability, pricing and life cycle status. For traditional schematic and PCB design, Altium Designer is already there. But the Altium Develop helps with MCAD, ECAD code design for mechanical engineers to check the PCB fitting. When the design is done, we get a platform where team members review and give feedback on contexts like safety and pin maps, etc. After review is done, Altium Develop generates release packages with up-to-date BOM and design documents. And it preserves version history so we know who approved what and when. Finally, Altium Develop saves all of the data like version history to evolve the product during production. Our life gets easier with Altium Develop. It is faster, safer and smarter. If you want to develop a full electronics product, you can check the link in the description to know more about it. So friends, we are continuing this video because our project is still not finished yet. Now I am adding the battery holder to the circuit, which is one of the most important components. This battery holder works as the main power supplier for the entire project. That's why it is very important to do the soldering carefully and properly. I place it in the correct position and make sure all the joints are strong and clean. Good soldering here ensures stable power, smooth operation and reliable performance of the circuit. I also solder the other side properly and securely. Now the holder is fixed properly. Now I place the on-off switch in its correct position and solder it carefully. This ensures a strong connection and smooth, reliable operation. After installing the switch, I place the resistors onto the board and solder them carefully using a soldering iron. This ensures proper current control and safe circuit operation. Now all the components have been installed successfully. The only thing left is to insert the battery. Once that's done, our emergency light will be completely ready to glow. Everything is properly connected and secured, and the circuit is prepared for testing. This final step will bring the project to life and show the real performance of our emergency LED light. So friends, once again a big thank you to all of you. Your comments truly motivate me and give me the opportunity to move forward and create better projects. A special thanks to JLCPCB for providing such high-quality products. And also a big thanks to Altium 365 for their excellent service and support. Your support and these amazing tools make all of this possible. So friends, let me know in the comments how you like this video and share your new ideas. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.